sweet is what I said. The only question was when. It's funny how
We are now boarding. See you in a bit, Taiwan. See you in a bit.
I'm excited.
See you in a bit.
See you, Taiwan.
Wow.
not the best, but we weren't bad. I've been told that some things gotta give, but I've never been one to break. I can still hear you say, I know the road we're gonna take, and I know you will be riding shotgun in my car for the getaway, cutting through the brake lights on the head. And even though all is lost,
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Ang amats natin today ay pupunta tayong Taiwan. Pero nasa Taiwan na talaga tayo kasi hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi ang dami pa namin ganap bago kami pumunta ng airport. So ako, galing akong volleyball game. Yung isa kong friend, galing pa siyang birthday ng pamangkin niya. Tapos yung isa kong friend, wala, stagnant sa bahay. So naghihintay lang siya. So ayun, ang dami pa namin ganap. Kaya ngayon, nandito na kami sa Taiwan. Yung flight namin kanina around 11 p.m. pero umalis na kami at 12. Tapos dumating kami dito ngayon at around 3 a.m. Yeah, hinintay namin yung bus na sasakyan namin going to Taipei Main Station kasi walang MRT pa. It's closed. So bus ride muna kami. Share ko lang, it's my 4th time going back here in Taipei, Taiwan. The first time that I'm here is last 2019, and the most recent memory na nandito ako is maliban sa today ay nung January with Sam. Ngayon naman, I'm traveling with my best friends from nursery, and ito yung first international trip namin together, kaya sobrang excited ako. And dito matatest ang aming tunay na friendship. Kung talagang may foundation ba ang friendship na to o wala. Ito nga pala yung isa kong friend. At ready na siyang kuhanin yung mic talaga. Wait lang. Talagang gustong gusto niyang mag-mic. So, ito yung isa kong friend. Siya yung kasama ko. Her name is Angela.
You can call me Ange, guys.
Leche talaga. Ayaw tumigil. So, patagal lang yung friends since nursery. Ang birthmark ng friendship namin ay basta somewhere here kasi nasaksak ko siya ng pencil kasi gusto niya ako tusukin ng pencil before. Oo, sa puwet. Kaso umupo talaga ako. Natuluyan siya. Pinangkalang niya kasi she loves me. At kung napapansin nyo, kaming dalawa na naman ang nandito kasi yung isa na naman naming friend na kanina sa airport ay nasa lounge siya, kami nasa resto lang. Tapos ngayon siya kumukuha ng SIM card niya kasi ayaw niya talaga magpakabagay. Ang tigas ng ulo, malolobat daw yung cellphone niya. Siguro gusto niya sa cellphone niya, yung battery hanggang 5 days din.
Naka-moto light at 4:37 na.
Oo, 4:37.
Ang bus ay
4:41. So,
malalaman
iwanan
natin.
namin. Okay guys,
Oh,
comment down below kung iiwanan namin siya or hindi. Tapos sasabihin ko na lang, the challenge starts now. Thumbs up kung iiwan. Palike nung video kung iiwan namin siya. Okay, yun lang. So update ko kayo
See you
later.
guys. We're going
Yung
to
fare,
bus.
yung bus pala na sasakyan namin, ay hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko kanina, yung 1819 bus going to Taipei Main Station. Tapos yung fare niya around $150 to $170, I think. Lalagay ko na lang dyan sa baba, caption siguro, kung magkano, para some sort of informative naman tong video na to.
True, guys. And that's in US dollars, ha?
Ay, hindi. Grabe yung bus. Libo-libo pa. Dahil dyan, wag na kayo pumunta dito.
Huwag na kayo pumunta dito. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, masisira ang buhay.
Okay, sige guys. Yun lang.
Guys.
Update kami later. Bye.
Hey, guys. Enjoy.
we're not fighting. Every step that I can turn the page. Still you say trust me, I'm saying. And even though all is lost,
Welcome to Taiwan.
It's our first day here in Taiwan and sobrang inaantok na kami.
And I'm not.
Siya kasi morning person kasi sa corpo life, sa kanyang engineering life, gantong oras siya gumigising. Kami bilang mga flexible ang shift, grabe parang may shift ako. Initial thoughts here in Taiwan ngayon na
Malinis
nandito
sa
na tayo sa
Taiwan.
labas.
Like Philippines, pero sobrang linis.
Yes. Malinis talaga
Dito
siya.
guys, mainit ngayon dito. It's August here. So parang peak summer to. And thank you Lord, hindi siya maulan.
True.
I mean, not so much mainit pa ngayon. Siguro kasi morning pa. So ang gagawin natin today, we're just gonna wait for the MRT to open. Tapos mag-ride na kami ng train going to Ximending. Tapos maghahanap kami dun siguro ng breakfast spot. And then yun, kakain. Kasi di pa kami makapag-check-in. Kasi sa kagagahan namin, titingin din muna kami ng locker area sa Ximending. Baka meron. Di ko kasi alam eh. Iwan namin yung things kasi grabe. Parang dala namin ang buong mundo.
Oops.
Okay, yun lang. Humahaba na yung clip. Bye! See you later!
See you later.
Bye! Magbabay kayo. Bye! Hi guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Rauhen Night Market. And galing kaming Airbnb, nag-rest lang kami. And dito yung next destination namin after nung stay namin sa... di ko alam kung maalala kung saan yun. So we're now here to try out some street food. Papatry ko sa kanila yung iba't ibang street food dito. Ang dami-daming street food. So I guess we're gonna start with cuttlefish, my favorite. Ito yung cuttlefish dyan lang sa bungad. Okay, so nandito na kami sa Rauhen Night Market. Are you excited to eat some street food?
Yes, guys.
Yes,
I'm so ready for this. I'm so hungry.
Favorite yung cuttlefish. Yeah.
A little late to turn around. Save yourself when it goes south. I can see the headlights in the distance closing in on us now. A voice above us calling down. Both hands on the ground. They keep saying something's gotta give, but I've never been one to break. Oh no. Then I hear you say, I know the road we
So far, how's your Rauhe experience?
Masarap lahat ng food. Wala pa akong nakakain hindi masarap.
Ay really? Wala ka pang hindi bet? Fairness.
Same.
Walang substance. Shit.
I hope we never hit the brakes. And even when all that we know is in the rearview closing in, I know that we can start again. Get even closer to the edge, 'cause I know you will be riding shotgun in my car for the getaway. Cutting through the brake lights on the way. And even though all is lost, I'm lost with you and I'm fighting every step that I can through the page.
Taiwan Day 2! So guys, pupunta kami today ng Taipei 101, tapos baka night market, and then yung PS Bubu na cafe na kung saan nag-shoot yung, tama ba?
Yes, first date ni Dao Mingsit tsaka ni
Ayun, hindi kasi ako nanood ng F4. Ito super fan ng F4.
Yes,
So yun ang ganap namin. And we're wearing a bit of blue and white today. And yun ang turn
Hindi
na
siya
namin.
planned. Pero yeah.
Hindi siya planned actually, nasaktuhan lang. Tapos, plan namin mag-shoot ng mga cute TikToks later. Tignan natin kung ano yung magawa namin. Or kung magsusuntukan lang ulit kami sa
Kasi yung suot namin mainit.
Oo, diba? Alam naman naming mainit dito, pero yung suot namin, gusto pa din namin yung mas maiinitan kami. Okay, so alis na kami. Actually, nakaayos na kami. Alis na talaga. So, update namin kayo pag nandun na kami sa PS Bubu. Bye! Okay guys, so we just arrived here in PS Bubu. It's a 45-minute bus ride from Ximen. Ito siya. Looks cute. Hindi ako fan ng F4, pero yung isa sa amin, ito, excited na siya. Wait lang, PS Bubu, hi!
You drive the time.
Okay, nakuha na namin yung food guys. Orders here. Medyo matagal lang yung order, no?
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang pala. Okay, so we got banana split for dessert. We have ziti, salad, and then soup. Right? Mushroom ba?
Hindi ko alam. Sabi lang niya.
Tapos we got ice cream coffee and then cream soda. Tapos fries. Yun. So kain muna kami.
Hey guys, magdadrive siya.
Naka-jeep to. Di ba nito mo yung driver ng jeep? Oh, may basa yan to. Walang masakit ng jeep na ito. Okay, diretso tayo. Diretso ako. Okay. Okay, right. Ang bubo. Pagkaling dapat. Good night.
Kasi yun guys.
Kasi no, grabe yung manibela ko. Ayoko na. Magbibill out na kami, lilipat na kami. Magbabike kami mamayang gabi guys. Pero tingnan natin kung anong gagawin.
Hi guys, so we're here just outside PS Bubu. Nag-photo shoot. Can you see them? They're there, oh. It's so nice here, guys. Feels like the Philippines, but much cleaner. I'm here, just waiting for them.
Hello. It's currently I think magto 2:45 na. And we're already on the way to Taipei 101. Nag-lunch kami here sa PS Bubu. Great food by the way, but medyo, I think, pricey. Medyo pricey siya. Kasi yung bill namin is almost 2,000 NTD. That's like 4K? 4K in peso, yeah. For 3 people, yeah. So kaya parang medyo mahal siya. And now we're just waiting for the bus to go to Taipei 101. Bale, bababa ng train station and then from station to Taipei 101. Mahangin ata. Yan lang. Sige, I'll update you later. Hi guys, so nandito na kami sa Taipei 101. Look, ganda. Gagawin nila tin yung yun sa TikTok video, yung chanana, shana, shana, shana. Ginawa ko na yun maraming beses, so di ko na siya gagawin. Pero gagawin ko na lang dito sa vlog kasi first time ko gagawin sa vlog. Ako din, gano'n na lang. Kasi, shana, 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 wee! Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Ichiran. Actually, kanina pa kami dapat nandito kaso sumisilip. Kanina pa kami nandito kaso ang dami naming side quest na pinuntahan. So, naka-order na kami and kakain na kami. Excited na sila kasi mga first time. Magkakatabi kami. Say hi! Are you excited sa Ichiran mo?
Yes, because I've tasted Ichiran na pero instant noodles pa lang. So ngayon, ito na yung legit.
How about you?
Excited. I'm so hungry. And my feet hurts.
A man of few words.
Kanina pa masakit yung paa ni ate, as in, ewan ko. Parang sinasapian yung paa niya. Wala na siyang ibang masabi kundi masakit. Baka mawala yung sakit sa Ichiran. Malalaman natin. Yum. Okay. Time to eat. Dito ko na lang ilagay. Sarap. Tong. Hi guys, nakauwi na kami. Nagpalit lang ng damit. Tapos, pupunta kaming Ximending para tingnan lang kung ano yung mga bukas pa doon ng late night. Kasi alam ko 24 hours yung Donkey. So, dadaan din kami doon. Pero hindi naman kami bibili masyado. Titingin lang. Kasi first time din nila makakita ng Don Quixote. I think no, Hong Kong wala naman Donkey, no?
I can't remember.
Ayun. Ito yun. So, punta lang kami ng Donkey. Nakasando na lang ako. Tapos yung bottoms ko yung suot ko kanina.
Shorts na lang ako. Shorts and a tube top.
Right. See you in Shimenting. Bye. Or like update ko na lang kayo kung saan kami mapadpad. Bye. Dito na kami sa Donkey, guys. Start na kami mamila. Yan, may mga hawak na sila. Maikot lang kami for other stuff. I-feeling ko i-haul ko na lang yung mga pinamili natin later. Kasi nagtitingin-tingin ako eh. Bye! Taiwan Day 3! So guys, today ang ate, naririnig. Guys, today pupunta kami ng Taipei Zoo and later, medyo whole day kami doon kasi mag-explore kami ng mga animals like this girl. Tignan nyo, yung unggoy na.
Sabi niya kasi bawal ang low energy, kailangan sumasayaw-sayaw kami habang nag-i-interview.
Ate, yung sayaw mo pa macho dancer. Ate.
Pero yun.
So yun ang punta kami ng Taipei Zoo. Tapos mamayang gabi, ilang days na kasi namin siniskip tong Ximending. Punta kami ng punta sa ibang lugar. So later gabi, dito naman kami. Tapos tomorrow, yung Jufen Shifen trip namin. So yun. Punta muna kami ng zoo, commute kami. MRT lang naman, I think. So yun. Okay. Tignan niya guys, may matching speed cats kami. Look. Whee! I got the red one, the green one, and the yellow one. Tapos matching tops din kami. Yung top nitin mo ka lang white, pero medyo yellow yan. Medyo yellow yan.
Yellow.
Magpo-photoshoot kami later ng 3 kami. Sana makakuha kami
Are we
shot.
gonna make a music video?
Oh, grabe, parang tuod siya. Okay, umalis na tayo. Bye guys, late na kami. 8 a.m. kami dapat aalis. 8 pa din naman. 8:30 nga lang.
See you later, guys.
Bye. Ay, magkakaroon tayo ng ang sakit ng paa ko counter today.
Let's see.
Okay, bye.
I thought it would kill me. I thought it would kill me to fall again. But I hit the ground running. So I didn't feel a single thing. My mind was occupied. Man, I was on a high. I could run forever to get a minute, just a minute of your time. If this is what it's like, I could get used to late nights dancing my place. I could get used to long drives.
Hi guys, di na ako nakapag-vlog masyado. Nandito na kami sa Panda House sa Taipei. Actually, tapos na kami mag-ikot sa Taipei Zoo. Nakalahati naman namin siya, pero di na nila kaya. Look. Tulog na, pagod na. Di na nila kinaya umikot pa. So, we're just waiting for our driver. Yung trip natin supposedly na for tomorrow ay Shifen and Jufen. Na-move siya today kasi based sa weather, maulan tomorrow. So, mas okay na gawin na siya today. Kaya, ayun, our driver was kind enough to reschedule it and inform us about the weather tomorrow. Kaya, today na natin yun gagawin. So, papahinga lang sila saglit, tapos pupunta na tayo doon. Hindi na ako nakapag-shoot ng clip sa zoo kasi ang init. Tapos parang puro ang hirap mag-video. Kaya dito na kami. Ito na lang yung shoot ko. Mamaya mag-video tayo dun sa Jufen. Magla-lantern kami. Tapos yun, uwi na rin tayo. Tapos tomorrow, ibahin na lang natin yung agenda natin. Update ko kayo later. Bye!
Place I could get used to be fighting just for the hell of it, and you putting up with it 'cause you leave me to bits. Late nights dancing our place I could get
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Taiwan Day 4! Hi guys, ngayon pupunta kami ng market and we're gonna go around Ximending. Uuwi na kami mamayang gabi. We're gonna be picked up by our driver at around 11 p.m. Ngayon, hanap lang kami ng breakfast and magka-Carrefour din pala kami. Yun ang ganap natin today, so I'll see you guys later.
Bye, guys.
Hey guys, nandito na kami sa Ximending area. Nasa loob kami ng isang mall. May titignan kasing bookstore si Tin dito. Pero, good thing na may tinignan siya ng bookstore kasi dito ako nakabili ng pasalubong kay Sam. Dami ko nang nabili for her. Sana magustuhan niya. So we plan to eat Korean dinner na lang. I did not plan. we chose to eat Korean dinner na lang for tonight to cap off our Taiwan trip. Sayang wala si Tin, masakit daw kasi yung chan niya. But anyway, dinner na kami here and impake na tayo in a while. Hi guys, sa airport na kami. Nakapag-impake na kami. Malamang, nakapag-impake na kami. Nasa airport na. Bobo ko eh. Nasa airport na kami waiting for the plane. And pauwi na kami to Manila. Itong dalawa kong kasama, kapansanan. Yung isa, masakit pa rin yung paa. Yung isa, kinukuha na yung mic. Magsasalita na siya in 5. Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Like, feeling ko ina-acid ako. Actually, parang 24 hours na ako hindi nakain. This is because of that, anong tawag dun? Sa noodles
Dahil dun
na
sa
yun?
noodles sa Lao Shandong.
Yeah. Sobrang pangit ang feeling.
So ayun, basag na basag yung last day niya. But anyway, we're now on the way back to the Philippines. I still have another flight to catch on Sunday naman. I am going to Bali after this trip. So expect a separate vlog for Bali. And uwi muna kami. Thanks, Taiwan.
Hi! It was so nice here.
See you next time.
You can't see me now, but you can hear me.
Tangina, ano ba tong vlog na to? May nagsasalita sa kawalan.
Ano daw?
May ads.
Oh, ayun, may ads tayo naririnig.
May ads.
Ano? Hindi ko naririnig.
Wala kami pake.
Wala kami pake. Plane is arriving and we're going to leave in a bit. So I'll see you guys in Manila. Bye. Thanks, Taiwan.
And I know you will be right.